Yeah, no, we moved into this house in 2019 and had unfinished basement, and we just wanted some additional space. So yeah, decided to renovate to give us an entertainment and kitchen area downstairs. Oh, we chose RenoDuck just based off of the initial consult, had a really good feeling. It was very detailed in the quote process and going through it. No, definitely very happy with the approach leading up to the start of the renovation. No, it was really good throughout the process. It was, everything went really smoothly, was organized. We always knew what was next steps in the process. It was very organized at the end of the day as far as cleanup and everything. Working through a pandemic at home, never felt like they were really here outside of a few bangs, and that's to be expected with any construction project, but no, it was really great. I would just say, yeah, just be prepared with kind of your vision ahead of time, and they'll put it to life. And if you look around, it's great. We're really happy with it. We're really excited to get a couch and TV and enjoy the basement. So no, it's been great. We had a designated project manager throughout the process who was readily available at any time we had any questions. All the trades workers coming in were excellent through the process, on time, and yeah, they made our life really easy throughout the whole process. I would definitely recommend RenoDuck to anyone that's interested in finishing their basement, and yeah, it was a great process and definitely on time with everything, and yeah, no, we're very excited with the final project.